What's up, guys? Today I will be explaining how to change the damage, recoil, all sorts of things for weapons in the starter pack laser tag for Roblox Studio. Now, let's get right into this. First off, go to starter pack, which is towards the bottom. Once you're there, you have to click on said weapon. Now, for you, it will say blaster instead of hand cannon. I changed the name just because you can. But yeah, so you click on the weapon, and then you scroll down until you see attributes. And then under attributes, there will be the ammo count, reload it, well, I don't know what that one does yet. The damage amount, the fire mode, the magazine size, the range, rate of fire, and all of that stuff. And yeah, you can also set how many, well, raise per shot basically is how many bullets per click of your mouse or tap. And this is also where you would put your own model in. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a nice day.